How do you pronounce this word? If you're not a native English speaker, then you probably pronounce it like this. Hour. Hour. Actually, that's correct. However, native English speakers also pronounce it a different way, and that is the subject of today's video. Listen to this song. What are they singing? Are they singing this? No, it's not a house, it's our house. Listen again.
Our house, in the middle of our street. Our house, in the middle of our...
What they're actually singing is this. But notice that they're not pronouncing it our house, they're pronouncing it our house. Listen one more time.
Our house, in the middle of our street. Our house, in the middle of our...
The reason they're saying our house and not our house is not because they're singing or because they have strange accents. It's simply because this is the correct pronunciation of this word. There are two ways of pronouncing this word. One way is our. The other way is are. Both ways are correct. Our. Are. Our. Are. There's no rule about which pronunciation you should use. Some people prefer our, some people prefer are, and most people use a mixture of the two. For that reason, if you ask a native English speaker how to pronounce this word, he or she will probably answer our. But if you listen to that same person just speaking naturally, you'll notice that he or she does sometimes use the R pronunciation. On the other hand, non-native English speakers always pronounce it our, even if they speak English very well. So here's a tip. If you want to sound less like a foreigner and more like a native English speaker, stop saying our and start saying are instead. Here are some examples of different people using the R pronunciation.
Is that we're both mammals and have the mammal's ability to use our food to heat our bodies. We're warm-blooded.
Is that a lot of actors, we all have our first movie.
You have been found guilty by the elders of the town of uttering the name of our Lord.
He teaches us, sadly, about things that we know are still prevalent in our time, and that's because some of it is ingrained in our human instincts, I think.
If you're really serious about improving your pronunciation, then take a look at my new online course. This course has 23 lessons, each covering a different aspect of British vowel pronunciation, along with loads of usage examples, vocal exercises, and quizzes. So follow the link in the description to find out more. Thanks for watching.